country and nation. I dedicate myself to my religion. I respect my parents, teachers, and elders. I will never I won't commit any crime or corruption. Neither I tolerate any crime or corruption. Oh, the Almighty, give me the strength so that I can retain the prestige of my country, family, and institution.